Hi, welcome to another video in the series Audi A2 project Youngtimer. In this video I will not be repairing anything, but I will just put the car on the lift, remove the wheels and just clean a little bit the underbody, because since it was not used for 8 years, it is quite dirty underside under the car. I will clean everything as it is that it will be possible. So after that I will do some mechanical work in the next videos. I will not be talking anything about this. Maybe I will put some pictures before after in the video, and I will also put just a time lapse of the video so that you will see what I'm doing. And this is it. The cleaning of the plastic under tray of Audi A2 is now finished. I have cleaned all the plastics, and as you can see, the car is still on the jack stands. So I will need to remove it to put the wheels on and lower it. But now let's go and see what it was done. So as you can see, the plastic is now in much better shape, much cleaner, and it doesn't look so dirty, and also all the sand and everything that it was behind the plastic it has been removed. So this was the right rear. Then if we go here to the front, as you can see, also it looks much better. I still need to buy a few of these plastic clips because they broke, but I left these to be inserted on easily accessible areas. All up there are already inserted, so it will not be hard. I just need to buy them. As you can see, also in the front it's much better. If you look here, you can see that the front plastic under tray under the engine is still not on the car, because I will need to do some servicing. And here you can see also the disc brake disc will be replaced. Now if you go to the left front side, the same. Everything was cleaned, so the plastic looks much better. Here and here, and the disc will be replaced. And here you can see the rear left, the same, it was cleaned thoroughly and it should look much better. So this is it. This was the cleaning of the plastic under tray of Audi A2, and now I will just put the wheels on and lower the car. If you have time, you can watch. I will put a time lapse there, and thank you for watching. I wish you safe driving, and smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye.